Hello and welcome to IVF-Life's medication guide. Today I will explain to you all how to prepare several different types of medications. Be sure to always wash your hands before preparing any type of medication and especially before injecting. It's also really important to prepare all of your equipment and lay out all of the medications as well as the needles and syringes. So let's get started. These are the instructions on how to mix Decapeptyl 0.1 milligrams. This medication is normally given before the egg retrieval, 36 hours before the egg retrieval takes place. In your box, you will have 2 vials of powder, as well as 1 vial of water. You will also need a 2 milliliter syringe, a larger needle for mixing and withdrawing, and a smaller needle for injecting. First, we will take the vial of powder and remove the protective cap. We will then take the water and break open the vial. Then we will locate our larger needle and push it onto the syringe. Remove the protective cap and withdraw the water from the vial. Then we will proceed to inject the water through the grey bung and into the vial with powder. Mix gently to make sure the 2 substances are dissolved, and we withdraw all of the contents back into our syringe. Then we proceed to locate our second vial of powder. We push the water back into the second vial and repeat the process. Mix slightly, make sure all the contents are dissolved, and we withdraw back into the syringe. Now we have our full dose of the 2 vials of powder mixed with the water. We remove the larger needle, locate the smaller needle, which is always for injecting, and push on. Remove the protective cap and remove any air which may have gathered in the mixing process. Now we are ready to inject. Be sure to always clean the site before injecting, and we always inject at 90 degrees just below the belly button.